Is your RX-29 not working as well as it used to? Or maybe it's not working at all. Well, it's possible there's some preventative maintenance that you can use to stop that from ever happening again. Stick around. Hi, my name's Candace. The RX-29 employs a lot of moving parts to deliver the trusted results that you've come to expect. Naturally, these parts are bound to endure wear and tear over time. And if these worn parts go unaddressed for too long, it can have a negative impact on your sieve analysis results. So, you must incorporate a preventative maintenance schedule into your routine. As founders of the original Rotap Sieve Shaker, W.S. Tyler is particularly passionate about helping you achieve a level of operational efficiency that you can feel confident in. That's why we'll go over the common mistakes that you should avoid when operating the Rotap RX-29, the key indicators that something is wrong with your Rotap, and the preventative maintenance routine that you should implement into your process. One of the biggest mistakes that lab technicians can make is neglecting to do regular spot checks on their devices. As a result, minor, easy-to-address issues go unnoticed until it's too late and something fails. It's also common for users to plug the device into an outlet that doesn't match the device's voltage. This may cause your Rotap to operate erratically, wear down the moving parts more quickly, but really, it's going to blow a fuse and blow your timer. Another user error that isn't uncommon is getting the device wet. Overexposure to moisture that exceeds a damp cloth that you'd use to clean the device can affect the electrical components. Again, this can cause irregular operations or a blown fuse, which may result, again, in accelerated wear and tear. A key indicator that you should check the moving parts of your RX-29 is if it begins to operate louder than its typical 78 decibels. When the different parts become worn, they have a tendency to move irregularly in the machine when testing material. This causes the entire device to move more than it usually does, which then subsequently causes louder operation. Additionally, as the inconsistent movements become more prominent, your sample material doesn't move as fluidly through the sieve stack. In other words, if you have worn out parts and things are not moving the way they're supposed to be on your shaker, your sieve analysis results will be off. To prevent costly downtime, you should set aside time to conduct preventative maintenance every month. A significant step of your preventative maintenance routine should be checking the various brass parts. This includes the 2 eccentric discs and the bushings that the lift rods go through. With the movement of the machines, the brass parts will wear down over time. As they begin to get loose, they fail to properly direct the device's motions. This can eventually lead to more necessary repairs. You should also be mindful of the state of the device's timing belt and cam gear. The timing belt is rubber, and it may dry out or wear over time. It's essential to check for cracking or overly worn spots. The cam gear works with the timing belt pulley and has nylon teeth. You should check to ensure that all the teeth are still intact, which can be done by flipping the device onto its side. Also, it should be noted that the brass bushings are oil impregnated. That said, if these were to ever need to be lubricated, you can simply apply some WD-40. Of course, you'll also want to keep the device clean of any debris. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, fill out a Contact Us form so we can answer your specific requests. Just click the link in the description. And if you'd like to learn more about woven wire mesh or our many products, we have a learning center filled with written and video content to make you an expert. Just click the second link and you'll be that expert in no time. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring that bell to keep up with all things W.S. Tyler. Once again, my name is Candace, and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye for now.